there is an arms race going on right now where scientists are competing for significant findings so they can get their next grant. They are being asked to produce many papers with high citation counts, and we know that reviewers tend to look at applications and the counts and estimate, based on journal impact factor, the impact papers are having on science, rather than reading the papers themselves. NIH's plans for evaluating the reproducibility problem through peer review of grant applications is a difficult problem because we're trying to solve multiple problems. Most scientists feel that they should be able to rely on our major journals to report studies that are replicable. That's been shown to be false. And so we have come to the point where there's general agreement that the problem that we have in science about not being able to replicate studies is sufficiently strong that we have to do a reset. Getting review to back up and essentially really understand the basis on which a scientist is proposing a new area of study, to focus much more on the quality of the studies that are being presented and the design of the studies before they accept them for publication, will require an attention to the details of studies which our institutes have for some time been concerned we were doing too much of. The Center for Scientific Review and our reviewers are going to have to spend more time evaluating both the background premise and the rigor with which a study will get done before funding can be allocated. This is going to be a difficult adjustment for the scientific community and for our reviewers. And I think there will have to be some patience on the part of the institutes because we will be concentrating on the rigor of the science as opposed to the originality of the ideas. We're hoping that this is something that can go on for a while and then will become so routine that the scientific community will have absorbed the lessons as well as the reviewers, that we no longer have to concentrate so much on that aspect of review.